let's get to know more about drone. Drone, in other words. Furthermore, an aircraft without a pilot that is operated by remote control. A remote-controlled pilotless aircraft or missile. Consequently, speak tediously in a dull monotonous tone. Or, a person who does no useful work and lives off others. Last but not least, move with a continuous humming sound.
Knowing similar meaning words make our speech varied. Let's take a look at equivalent words of drone. That leads us to rumble, whirring, speak monotonously, consequently, sigh, and finally, hissing.
Here are some practical uses of drone word. Now we find ourselves at, only 20 minutes of the hour-long drone had passed. Next, the university takes all the profit and redistributes it to drones like him. And then, in the far distance a machine droned. The drone rose by a third to A. And finally, he nodded off to the drone of the car engine.